Intro AI isn't just for techies anymore, it's transforming everyday life in 2026. From video creation to productivity, these tools are changing the way we work and play. Point 1. First, AI video creators. Platforms like Pictory and Runway can take a simple idea or script and turn it into a polished video in minutes, complete with visuals and captions. Point 2. Second, AI voices. Tools such as ElevenLabs let you generate realistic narration without ever stepping in front of a microphone. Point 3. And third, AI productivity assistants. Copilot helps you write, plan, and create faster, saving hours every single week. Outro. So if you're not using AI yet, you're missing out. Subscribe now for